Hi guys, welcome to Fun and Learn Planet. Today I am going to talk about how you can earn up to 75,000 by teaching from home as either freelancer, part-timer or full-time on online tutoring portal Vedantu. I am sure most of you must have heard about Vedantu, but today I will answer what is Vedantu in detail, what are the requirements or eligibility to apply as a teacher at Vedantu, what is the process of application. I will explain this in detail by making a video of my screen, and the important one, what is the earning potential of teaching at Vedantu and how much time you should give in teaching kids, how much you can earn out of that. So let's get into the video. For those who don't know what is Vedantu, it's a very renowned tutoring portal. It's been started by a few IITians and it acts as a bridge, a facilitator or a medium between the students and a teacher. It's doing very well in online teaching and it has around 500 plus teachers enrolled in their system. They have been taking live sessions for the students. Until now, around 40,000 students across the country has got learning assistance from them. Now comes a very important topic, how you can become a teacher at Vedantu. So the first one is you should have a valid degree from a college as you are required to fill in your highest qualification while filling up the form. Second, you should have a laptop or desktop with minimum 4 GB RAM because then only you will be able to take online sessions. Then your internet connection must has 512 kbps upload and download speed. Here it's important to note that your upload speed and download speed both should be minimum 512 kbps so that your student can take classes easily and session should be clear. Then you should have an updated resume or CV which should have all your details like education qualification, your experience and all other required details. The next is the process of selection. So this is the process of selection at Vedantu. First you will have to submit a form, that would be the application form which I'll explain you in detail. Then comes screening part, that would be done by Vedantu's team and they will select the best profiles out of all the submitted profiles. If your profile gets shortlisted, then you will be asked to give a demo online. You have to pick a topic from the subject which you want to teach and have to give a demo to Vedantu's experts. If your demo will be liked by the team, then you will be selected for the teaching profile. After selection, you will be onboarded. The team will give you the training and then you will be asked to attend a webinar. After successful completion of the webinar, you will be given your first session to teach. Now the most important question comes here is how much you can earn at Vedantu as a teacher. You can earn up to minimum 15,000 by devoting just 2-3 hours in a day. And if you are planning to teach full time, then earning can be nearly 75,000 per month. The good part is that you can also decide the price per session. The payments are released on approximately 5th of every month, and don't worry, the team provides you all the training and the technical assistance which is required. You can also choose time of the teaching as per your choice. A minimum of 2 hours is required per day for the classes, and mind you, there is no bond system. You don't have to sign any bond with the team. Now let's start with the application process. So guys, I will explain you how to fill in the form or the application to become a teacher at Vedantu. So first of all, I'll open the Google and then I'll type vedantu.com. Appear like this. Then we'll click on Become a Teacher. This slide will be open. The earning potential, as I've already told you, it's from 25,000 to 75,000. Also provided teacher testimonials. So if you want, you can just, at this process I've already explained, the apply as a teacher, initial screening, Vedantu. So I click on this apply now. When I'll click on the apply now, this form will appear. So it's application for teaching with Vedantu. These fields which has red marks, that is red dot, it is mandatory. You have to fill in all the details correct here. So first you will write your name, your last name, then your gender. Then we'll come to email ID. You just need to give that email ID on which you want to have all the communication with the team. Then your phone number which you are using currently. Then your highest qualification, whether it's UG or PG or any professional qualification, anything you can write down here, like BA, MA or whatever it is. Then specialization along with your college details. So here you have to write specializations. Even years of teaching, like if you are a fresher, then probably you can write less than a year, or if you're experienced, and whatever your experience is, you can fill in the details like that. For example, it's more than 5 years. I'm just putting these details randomly. Then you can choose your primary subject from the subjects which are mentioned here, like maths, physics, chemistry, biology and so on. And if you are unable to find any subject in the list, then you can choose others also. Okay. Then comes a secondary subject, which would be your next best subject which you would want to teach. So in this also they have the options, and again if your subject is not there, then you can put other. Then what is the class, or please mark which grade student you would love to teach. Means you have to select your students, whether you want to teach primary students or 1st to 5th or 6th to 8th and so on. So you can just click on that. So for example, if you want to teach 11th and 12th JEE mains level, you can just click on that. You can select more than 2 also in this field. Then boards, you can handle, whether you can handle CBSE or ICSE, IGSE and others. So you can select by the boards of your choice. Then hours you will be available per day for teaching with Vedantu. So minimum, as I have already told you, minimum 2 hours should be there, and maximum it depends on your choice, whether you want to teach 4 hours, 6 hours or whatever. On this is weekdays and this is weekends. If you want to take classes on weekends, then you can put the hours on weekend field also, and if you are not available on weekends to take the classes, then you can simply mark as 0. Then we come to available timings. These are the timings because Vedantu is providing flexibility to the teachers, so you can easily select the times of your choice. So if you want to teach early in the morning, like you can take slot of 6 to 7 and then 7 to 8 and so on, and full time also if you want to select. So it totally depends on your choice. Then comes current occupation. Here you have to fill in the details of your occupation, like you are a full-time teacher, you are a freelancer, working professional, or you are a college student not working anywhere, and others. So you have to fill in the details here in this section about your occupation. Then your date of birth you have to select. Then type of internet, what type of internet you are using. You are using broadband, Wi-Fi, dongle, mobile, cable, others. But mind you, you should have 512 kbps speed minimum, and that too both uploading and downloading. Then comes downloading speed of your internet connection. So that is, the speeds are given here. So you can just select the speed or whatever internet connection you are using, and then you have to choose the upload speed also. So the first one is download speed, the second one is upload speed. Then comes screenshot of your internet speed. Obviously you have to give the screenshot of your internet speed because the team would want to know exactly what your internet speed is, so that there should be smooth connection between you and your student, and the class should be very clear and your teaching should be efficient. Then comes your association with Vedantu is for. Here you have to mention whether it's your primary source of income, your additional source of income, you pursue it as a passion, you pursue teaching as a passion, so that is why you are doing that, or others. Then your location, your city, your state, you have to give the details about that. And how did you come to know about Vedantu? Like you came to know from a website, or for example in your case maybe you came to know from my video. You have to put the details on this. And then in the last you have to upload your updated resume, wherein you will have to give all the details which are up to date and relevant to become a teacher in Vedantu. And then in the last you will have to click on submit form, and then you will get the call if your profile gets shortlisted. Guys, this was all for the video. I hope by seeing this you will become a teacher at Vedantu and pull out a good amount. If you like my video, then please subscribe to the channel. I assure you will get many more relevant videos in future. So please hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the channel.